Yo, welcome back guys, and on today's video we are going to talk about 5 beginner mistakes that cost you money in forex trading. Have you ever entered a trade only to watch it go straight to the loss? Have you ever broken your own trading rules, or watch your profits disappear just because you thought you knew where the market is moving? If so, you are not alone. If you are new into trading, then this video could save you weeks or even months of frustration. So buckle up, let's go, let's get it. On this channel, we talk about the real forex journey, the profits, the losses, the lessons that help you become a better trader. I'm not here to sell you a dream. I'm here to help you avoid the mistakes. Let's jump into it. Mistake number 1. Trading without a plan. Trading without a plan. When you first start trading, it's easy to enter a trade just because you see the market is looking good. No strategy, no confirmation, no rules. The market starts moving fast and you don't want to miss out, so you just jump in. Sometimes you make profit, but most of the times you lose. So one lucky trade does not define you as a good trader, but consistency is the key. Consistency comes from following a plan and not just guessing. So before you make any trade, make sure you ask yourself, why am I entering? Where is my stop loss? Where is my take profit? If you cannot answer these questions, then don't trade. Just leave the market. Let me ask you guys, have you ever entered a trade without a plan just because the market was moving fast and you wanted to jump in? Please explain in the comment section, how was your experience? Did you make a profit, or did you make a lesson or a loss? Mistake number 2, risking too much. Mistake number 2, risking too much. This mistake has probably cost you a lot of money than you realize. When you are starting out, it is tempting to risk more because you want to grow your account real quick. You need to make money faster. But instead of making money faster, you usually lose it faster. Just one bad trade can wipe out everything. You blow everything. You blow your account and you start from zero. So trading is not about making big profit today, but like I said before, it's about consistency. Protect your capital first. The profit will come later. Money will come.
Colleagues, money will come.
So guys, tell me on the comment section, how much have you risked? What is the biggest amount of money have you risked in forex trading? Mistake number 3, revenge trading. Revenge trading. I'm a culprit of this. Oh my God. You lose one trade, instead of accepting the loss, you immediately open another one. Not because your strategy is telling you, but because you are frustrated and you want your money back. That is revenge trading. I'm sure every trader can relate on this one. And most of the times when you revenge trade, it makes you even get a bigger loss than the one you previously had. So instead of recovering, now you are increasing your losses. Next time when you lose a trade, just stand up, walk away, take a walk, drink some coffee or drink some water, go to the gym. Just forget about trading. Accept your loss. The market will always be there. It's not going anywhere, okay? So when you get a loss, accept it and move on. Stop trading for that day. There will always be another opportunity.
Money is available.
Tell me guys, and don't lie. Tell me, have you ever revenge traded before? And what was the outcome? I'm pretty sure everyone can relate on this one. So let's go to mistake number 4. Changing strategies every week. You watch one YouTube video, then another. You download a new indicator. You try other strategies. Then a few days later, you're already looking for the next strategy. You keep thinking, the problem is with my strategy. But most of the times, the real problem is that you have not given yourself enough time to master your strategy. That's why you keep changing your strategy. Today, you're using trending line. Today, another day, break of structure. Another day, I don't know what. So stop chasing the perfect strategy and try to master your strategy. Improve on the same strategy. Look for ways on how you can improve your strategy. Guys, tell me on the comment section below how many strategies have you tried, and which one are you sticking with? Tell me on the comment section what's your strategy. Mistake number 5, last but not least. Mistake number 5, believing everything you see on social media. When you're new in Forex trading, social media can make you think like trading is very easy. You see huge profits, luxury cars, expensive watches, perfect winning streaks. But what you don't see are the losses, drawdowns, and years of consistency behind success. If you keep comparing yourself to the traders on social media, you will always feel like you're behind. So instead, compare yourself with the person you were yesterday. That is the comparison that really matters. Tell me also in the comment section, how do you deal with this pressure when you see young individuals buying luxury cars? So that was it, guys. If you are new into this channel, please remember to like, subscribe, and share to people who can get benefit from this video. And tell me which mistake are you struggling with, and if there is any other mistake that I did not mention, add in the comment section below. Yep, guys, that was it. Thank you so much, and see you
Slow down,
in the
don't
next
chase
one.
the trade.
Bye.
Every choice that you have made, learn the lesson, trust the plan. That's how winners always stand. Trade smart, don't rush, don't run. Every loss can teach someone. Stay patient, you'll be okay. Better trader every